there, beautiful people! So you know how everyone's obsessed with avocados? Well, avocado oil isn't just for your toast, honey. It's a total game changer for your skin. Stick with me for the next 2 minutes, and I'll spill 3 science-backed reasons your skin will thank you for using avocado oil. Trust me, you'll want to glow like you just stepped out of a New York spa. All right, let's jump in. First up, deep moisturization. Avocado oil is loaded with vitamin E and those rich, healthy fatty acids. Docs legit recommend it for dry skin, eczema, even psoriasis. Seriously. It sinks in deep, fixes up your skin barrier, and leaves your face feeling soft and bouncy. You want that glow? This is it. Now let's talk healing and calming. Avocado oil is packed with antioxidants plus vitamins A, D, and E. That means less redness, calmer breakouts, and if you've got little scars or cuts, your skin recovers faster. No more looking like you just survived a New York winter without moisturizer. Want all the deets? Hit up the description and ring that bell for more tips. And here's the big one, anti-aging power. Avocado oil helps make more collagen so your skin stays firm and plump. It also puts up a fight against sun and pollution damage, so those fine lines and wrinkles, over time they fade. You'll be looking fresh, hydrated, and way more youthful. No filter needed. So there you have it. Avocado oil hydrates, heals, and protects your skin. If you found this helpful, hit like, share it with your friends, and check the description for more natural skincare secrets. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.